Cosmewax, leaders in the manufacturing of cosmetics for third parties. At Cosmewax, we are experts in the development and manufacturing of award-winning products for brands and retailers worldwide. Discover how we can help you launch products quickly and flexibly. We offer comprehensive product development from formulation to design and packaging, including exhaustive tests that ensure the highest quality standards. We handle the complete manufacturing of your products, efficiently and responsibly managing the entire supply chain. Additionally, our safety advisors ensure regulatory compliance, handling the registration of cosmetics and providing advisory services. We conduct internal consumer tests to ensure that your products not only meet expectations, but exceed them. We manage all logistics, ensuring your products reach their destination punctually and safely. We also provide after-sales service and project follow-up. Our relationship does not end with the sale, it barely begins. The entire process is coordinated by a specialized project manager assigned to your account, who ensures the proper functioning of all stages of the process. Why work with Cosmewax? We have 60 years of experience working with leading brands and export 90% of our production to over 50 countries. We offer a comprehensive service from the main idea to market launch. We provide industry-leading development speed. Our processes are certified by the most demanding quality standards. Even better, in 2023, our customers rated their satisfaction as 4.8 out of 5. At Cosmewax, we not only offer cosmetic products, but comprehensive solutions that drive the success of your brand.